Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about SLGs, small leather goods. I am going to share with you the 5 SLGs that I purchased in 2019, and you may be wondering where is the 5th one because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I do have a 5th one, but I don't have the packaging. It just came kind of all in tissue paper, so I thought I would reveal it at the end. And I just put these all back in the original packaging because sometimes I think it's more fun, when the anticipation builds and you kind of go through the video together with each item being revealed one by one. So bear with me. I will start in the order in which I purchased the items. This was my first one this year, and it's a big one from Chanel. And personally, I don't consider this a small leather good, but since Chanel does put it technically in the SLG category, I want it to be, Chanel accurate. And so I will stick it here for now, but you'll see what I mean. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sure for those of you who've watched my other videos, you've seen this little baby before. This is my Chanel wallet on chain, or better known as the Walk, in the black caviar with the silver hardware. I love, love, love this one. I consider it a mini bag because I wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. I dress it up, I dress it down. It's very versatile. For those of you who might think it's quite small, it actually is surprisingly roomy and it fits all of my essentials. I put my phone in the front. It has a zippered compartment here for little knickknacks, bills. I have my authenticity card in there at the moment, coins or whatever you may need to put in there. I'll pull out the chain. I love this very feminine, thinner chain. And it has the burgundy lining with the card slots in case you wanted to remove the cards from your wallet and just keep it really light and simple. I usually use my Chanel card holder in here versus using these separate card slots. It's just my preference. There's also another opening here, and then there is a larger zipper compartment that goes all the way down to the very bottom of the bag. So many compartments, which is why it does pack a punch, and you can actually put quite a few items in here, and especially if you get a base insert. So you can see mine here. I ordered mine from Etsy.com from a company called M Boutique. They are based out in Australia, I believe, and it took a little while for this to get to me by mail, but it was only about $20. And it's just this hard, thick piece of cardboard. I think it's cardboard. And it's wrapped in this faux feather. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Faux leather. And it looks like it's glued or hot glue gunned. So there's no stitching or anything like that. It's a very simple item. It's not fancy at all. Again, it was only about $20, and they have a variety of different colors. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just think this is a cool little investment to make if you do have a wallet on chain. And for those of you who watched my video dedicated to this item, a lot of you reached out asking me where I got this, so I just thought I would share one more time. It really is a game changer. I ordered the burgundy because I wanted to match the burgundy lining, but without the base insert, this item here, it collapses naturally and is quite flat. And it doesn't look really like a bag. It looks like a wallet on a chain. And like I said, I use this as a legit bag. So when you put the base insert in, it keeps it open and really nicely structured. And I just think it looks much prettier this way. It's also just easier to access your belongings when you go in and out because the bag is not collapsing on your hand. It stays open. So that is the first SLG. Now this item has been upgraded or updated by Chanel. So this year they released a new model where it is no longer a snap, it is a magnet closure, which I think is so much more convenient, easy in and out without having to match it up and snap it the way I have to. I don't mind it. I still love this. I'm going to keep it. I have no intentions of exchanging it or selling this to get the new model. I'm very happy with this one. I love the smell of it in particular. But it does have a magnet now, so if you're interested in getting the wallet on chain, I think that's a really nice upgrade that they made. And then here, I guess a lot of people had complained that the zipper pull was pushing into the leather here, and that happens on a lot of the Chanel bags also, but they made the zipper pull flatter so it's less prone to sort of indenting the leather on the other side. So small little updates. Retail price is $2,500 here in the States, and then obviously plus tax. So that's the first one. Again, I don't know if it's fair to consider this an SLG. It is a very expensive SLG if you do put it in the category of these others. But again, I wanted to be more technically correct since Chanel does consider this an SLG item. Okay, moving on. I have my little goodie from Saint Laurent. So this one is my only item that is croc embossed. So this is a compact sized wallet in the black croc embossed leather with this shiny polished silver hardware. I think it goes so nicely together. I believe that Saint Laurent does the croc embossing so well, so well. I think it's really, they're probably not well known for it, or maybe they are, but I feel like it's a little secret. If you go into a Saint Laurent boutique, ask to see some of the items that are croc embossed. They're just done so well. Very, very smooth, shiny, textured. The detail is really pretty. So I purchased this because I don't have a compact sized wallet. I have a longer Continental wallet from Prada that I never ever use anymore because it's so big. And then I have this tiny Chanel card holder. For those of you who watched my other videos, you know I have it with me almost all the time, and I use it with all of my mini bags. It's ancient. I love it, but when I need a slightly larger wallet that holds coins, then I have this one now, and it's all lambskin on the inside. It's so buttery soft. It says here Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots, and then you have the larger bill area so that you can put in your bills, and then it folds neatly in half. Also on each side, so on the left side there's an opening, and then on the right side there are 2 openings, 1 and then 2. So plenty of space for business cards, extra credit cards, receipts, you name it. It's a really nice size. I think it packs a punch. And then here you have the beautifully lambskin lined coin pouch, and I think it would fit quite a few coins in here, or you can put other items in here too if you needed to. Like I said, maybe receipts if you had extra things, you're doing a lot of shopping and maybe you need extra compartments. But I think this is so well made and so pretty. And there you have it. So that is SLG number 2. Oh, and this currently retails for $650. I believe it's still available. I purchased it several months ago, but I would imagine it's still available in the boutiques. So this was $650. And then next we move on to Louis Vuitton. Oh, this must be my hair. Excuse me. Okay, ta-da! Okay, this is, I don't even need to introduce this little one because I think everyone knows who she is. This is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Mine is in the Damier Ebene. I love this pattern. I think it's classic and simple. I will never get sick of it. The canvas is obviously super, super durable. It is what Louis Vuitton does best, this canvas material. And then here you have the soft leather. It says here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I have a few scratches on mine. I really don't care. I toss this into so many bags, in and out, in and out, in and out it goes. It has a beautiful gold chain. And I love the pop of red on the inside. So I was so happy to snatch this up at the boutique. This currently retails for $310 in the States. I could not be happier with this little guy or girl. Did I say it was a she before? I don't know. I know some of you have gender specific even names for your items. I haven't gotten to that point yet, but this little cutie is so practical and functional. I put all my little knickknacks in here. It actually fits quite a bit. I jam it in there. I love the sound that it makes when it's full of little bits and bobs, and I don't know, I just love it. And I don't have to worry about whether I've forgotten an item in a different bag. Oh, did I leave my work badge in the other bag? Oh, did I put my lip balm in that one? Or I don't have to worry anymore because everything that I need on a daily basis I put in here, and then I easily transfer this from bag to bag. The only bag that this does not fit in so far that I've tested is my Saint Laurent Toy Lulu bag. It is a very tight fit, and then the flap does not close over it, and that is a pretty mini bag. But for all of my other bags, even the smaller ones, it works great. So if you're looking to purchase your first Louis Vuitton SLG, I highly recommend, whatever pattern you decide, but I highly recommend this item. It is well worth it. And you may think $310 for this tiny little thing. For me, I don't know, it works, and it brings me lots of joy. Again, I'm a very tactical and very sensory oriented person. So when I take it out and it makes that jiggling sound and it's full of stuff and all my bits move around, I don't know, I like it, and it keeps me really organized. I also don't like clutter and messiness. So for so many reasons, I think this is great. It's my most used SLG this year. It probably will be my most used going forward. And if I had to choose between all of them, this will probably be my favorite just because I've used it so much. But then again, I can't really compare these two. It's not fair to say. A $2,500 Chanel wallet on chain that you can wear as a real bag versus this little pouch, it's not a fair comparison, but I do love this one so much. Okay, moving on to SLG number 4. This one is super cute, and I revealed all of these in either unboxing videos or dedicated reviews. So if you have been watching my videos and you're a subscriber, I don't think any of these will be a surprise, but I just thought it would be fun to have them all in one place. And if you're new to my channel, of course I would love for you to join and subscribe. But these may be a bit of a new reveal for you because you may not have seen my other videos. So here is my cute this is my Christmas animation coin purse. This currently retails for $375, but because we're now at the end of the year, it will probably be very difficult to get your hands on this or any Christmas animation item unless you have a very hardworking SA sales associate who is willing to track it down for you, or you've put your name on the wait list. I had my name on the wait list for a little while, and my SA promised that she would find it and get it to me before Christmas, and she definitely followed through and delivered. So I was super happy when she texted me that she had this in her possession, and she mailed it right to me. So I wanted this specific item because I needed something small and flat to store my earbuds when I am going to and from work. As I'm commuting on the train, I'm always listening to my phone, whether it's podcasts or other YouTubers. So I wanted that, and I used the old school Apple earbuds because their AirPods, at least the current size that they have out, does not stay in my ears. So my husband told me they're coming out with newer sizes, maybe smaller sizes, and that may work better for me. But for now, I have the old school ones, and so the wires obviously get all tangled up, and sometimes they get tangled with my other items. So I wanted to keep it separately in here, and it works beautifully. I've been using it for the last few weeks, and I love it. I also wanted this specific one because I love the vivid colors. The blue pops, the red pops, the fuchsia. I mean, the color combination is so well done. Then the pastels here. This is obviously Venice, Italy. You have the Louis Vuitton trunks, stacked up on the gondola. I just thought it was so pretty, and also not to stretch it, but also kind of meaningful because my daughter and I went on our first mother-daughter trip this year, and we went to Italy and we did spend a couple of days in Venice. So I just felt like it marked the year of that trip, and it was so special for us. So yeah, and then the back is the monogram, and the inside is all blue, this really beautiful true blue, and it has Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, with the gold hardware. The other SLG that I had been after was the small key pouch, the key clay, because I don't have many keys, so I don't need the 6-key holder, and I also don't love the 4-key holder. I wanted kind of just an easy zippered pouch where my keys could hang off and I can plug them right in. So the key clay was the item I was after, but unfortunately when I went to go check it out, the stitching was not great, to the point where if I looked through I could actually see the other side because there were little gaps in between the threads, and I didn't think that was normal. Now this item is made in France. My mini pochette was made in France, and I don't think that there's necessarily a correlation with the quality and where it's made, but in my personal experience, I have noticed some differences, and the key clay that I saw was not made in France. So I did leave it behind, and I'm still looking for the key clay, but I'm not in any rush. So there is my SLG number 4. This will probably be my one and only Christmas animation item. I am not much of a collector, and I don't intend on collecting every year's animation, but I know a lot of you do that. I'm sure you have gorgeous collections that you can pass on and admire. But for me, this will probably be the only one because this is the only one that I really need. Okay, and then SLG number 5. I just have to remember where I put it. Okay. So this is the giveaway item, the Longchamp coin purse. So this is a coin purse, but I'm using it for my earbuds, and this is a coin purse that I'm using truly as a coin purse. So especially when I travel, I have a tendency to accumulate foreign coins somehow, and I don't like them jiggling all around, and I don't like stuffing my wallets because it can damage the wallet or the leather if I stuff it with too many coins and it gets heavy and it stretches out the leather. So I thought a very lightweight nylon piece would be perfect. And so I got this one, and the reason why I say it's a giveaway item, in case you guys missed it, I am doing a giveaway and it's still going on. There's still time to enter if you are interested in winning this cute little coin purse from Longchamp. It's like the Le Pliage tote, but tiny, like super shrunken down, just to give you a comparison. Let me see. Look how small it is. It's so adorable. And I purchased 2 so that someone out there can be twins with me, and I'm excited to announce the winner on January 4th on my Instagram stories. This is the brand new one in the original packaging. This is what you will be getting, along with a little note from moi. But it was my way of first thanking you guys. It was just my way of expressing my gratitude for all of your support and encouragement and just warmth and friendliness. I only started this channel a few months ago, and it has been so fun and really kind of therapeutic for me in some ways. And I also wanted to kick off the new year with something really fun and delightful. So if you are interested in winning this little cutie, please enter. I will link the original video down below so that you can see the instructions. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, I'd love for you to join. And I am also on Instagram at the same name, Hello Catwalk City, so find me there and I'd love to connect with you guys. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks so much. Bye.